Hi, this is my solution to Paul McWhorter's Pico W lesson number 5, when he asked us to use a potentiometer and display the values backwards, so starting from 100 and going up to 0, which is a bit counterintuitive, but he wanted to confuse us, and it worked fairly well. Or in case you're wondering what that is, that I think is a mandarin duck, but just seeing the back side of it looked very strange. Right, my breadboard is very simple. It's just my Pico W with a potentiometer, and here's my program. I'm actually using machine ADC this time. I tend to use Pico 0, but I'll tell you why I didn't later in the video. And we will start off with the scale as 100. Not much to say about this program apart from to calculate the values. I've tidied up the equation a little. I think that looks a lot neater, that you have the value being read minus the lowest value that you have on it, you know, when it gets right down, and then you divide it by the highest value and subtract the lowest value. Then you just multiply by whatever scale you're using and round it to 2 decimal places. So it's all fairly simple. Right, we'll run this program. Right, it says turn pot fully to the left and then press enter. Right, I will turn the pot fully to the left. Click there, press enter. Turn it fully to the right. And press enter. And then it displays the lowest value, 252, and the highest value is 65535. Right, that's on the highest, so I turn it to the left, it goes down and down and down and down and down. Down. Ah, I hear you cry. That wasn't what he asked for. We'll stop the program and have a look at it. Right, that was, that line prints it out the right way round. So if I just comment that out and do that, that is just doing it so it displays the other way round. Try running it again. Fully to the left. It's already fully to the left. Just press enter. Ooh, hold on. Fully to the right. Press enter. Right, again the values are as we would expect them, and this time as it's fully to the right it's on 0, and you can turn it up and up and up to 100 and down again. Stop. By changing the variable scale, you can actually make it look, you know, read the voltage. So if you're connected to 3.3, you'd put volts, you'd put in 3.3, or if you're connected to 5.5, you'd put in 5. So I'll do that, and this time you really do want it the right way around, because it makes no sense to have negative voltage to my mind. So we'll run this again. Turn it fully to the left. Click there, press enter. Turn it fully to the right. Press enter. Right, that's full is 3.3 volts. Turn it right down. turn it right down, turn it right down. Oh, it goes to -0. I think that is slightly less than 0. And it's rounded, which is why it looked odd. Anyway, that's that. All seems to be working very well. I would never actually do this, print this line here to get it going the wrong way round. And far easier way is to just wire up your potentiometer wrong. So if you swap your live and your neutral, so your live and your ground, it will do it exactly as you want, so you don't have to bother with any of those shenanigans. Right, I have another program here which is to show you why I didn't bother to try to do this on Pico 0, because Pico 0 has done it incredibly simply for you. So all you have to do is import pot from Pico 0 and time, and then all you do is you print value of the pot and the voltage. So we'll give this a whirl. Right, turn it up, turn it up. As expected, the voltage is 3.3 and the value is 1. And turn it down right to the bottom. The voltage isn't quite down to 0, but it's only a very cheap potentiometer. Stop that. As you can see, for Pico 0, they've decided values for it want to be from 0 to 1. But for Paul's lesson, if we would use Pico 0, it would have been very, very, very short lesson. So there we have it. That's my video.